Apply this mixture helps remove plaque and whiten your teeth quickly. Today, I will give you a remedy that is natural, safe, efficient, and guaranteed to remove plaque from your teeth and make your teeth whiter in a short time. Removing dental plaque is very important and essential for your dental health. This plaque is a film of bacteria that sticks to teeth. It is colorless and especially dangerous. It will lead you to bad breath, tartar, and eventually cause tooth decay, even destroy the bones supporting the teeth and even the roots of the teeth under the gums, and make tooth loss. To remove and prevent the development of plaque on the teeth, you don't need to visit a dentist. Instead, you just need to perform a number of home procedures to remove the accumulation of these residues in the mouth and prevent this disease from progressing. And today, I will share with you a simple recipe that you can make at home to remove dental plaque. With this recipe, you will definitely get positive results and you don't need to go to the dentist for your teeth and gums problem. To make this remedy, you just need 3 ingredients in the kitchen and do some easy steps. The first ingredient is baking soda. This white ingredient can do wonders for your oral health. It is an effective remedy to remove dental plaque, whiten your teeth, and prevent tartar formation. It will remove all harmful bacteria and neutralize the group of acids in the oral cavity. The amount of baking soda needed for this recipe could be a half of teaspoon. Add it into a glass bowl. Next, add a little of your daily toothpaste into the bowl. Finally, this is an optional ingredient. You can add it to support for 2 ingredients before. If not, the effect of this recipe is not changed. This ingredient is fresh neem juice. Neem juice helps to counter bacteria that may cause dental plaque, inflammation, and gum disease. In addition, neem juice is a natural antimicrobial remedy that provides teeth whitening and helps freshen your breath. To get the best result, we recommend using fresh neem juice extracted directly from neem leaves. You will need 1 tablespoon of neem juice. Add it into the bowl. All necessary ingredients are already in the bowl. Mix them well until forming a homogeneous paste. Your natural remedy to remove dental plaque and whiten your teeth at home has been complete. To use it, dip your toothbrush in the mixture and gently brush your teeth using circular motion. You should brush for about 2 minutes and use gentle pressure to brush your teeth. After brushing for 2 minutes, spit out the paste and rinse your mouth thoroughly with lukewarm water or mouthwash. Use this remedy once a week for the best results. If you like this video, please donate it a like. Don't forget to share it on your personal page because you probably won't find any more. Subscribe to the channel to get other useful videos.